Welcome back. Chief Mrs. Nkiru Obiefuna has been inducted into the prestigious Otuodu Women Title Group of Agbaja Abatete, Idemili North Local Government Area, Aziyom Arubeze. The induction, which was held at her country home, Ifita Village, Abatete, was attended by different title groups from the town and other communities, friends and relatives, among others. Correspondent Blessing Uchendo tells us more.
Otuodu is one of the most revered and coveted society for women in Igbo land, usually described as the highest traditional women association. Thus, Otuodu signifies prestige, honor, affluence, influence and respect among women. Chief Mrs. Obiefuna was decorated with white Abatete fabric, Odwaka and Odwapa coral beads on her neck, a large Nza or hostel, a traditionally designed hand fan with the Iyom's title name boldly inscribed in front and back. Speaking on behalf of Ndi Otuodu, Chief Mrs. Ifeyinwa Onwudinjo said that Chief Mrs. Obiefuna has been examined and found worthy to be a member of the prestigious society with outstanding attributes that qualify her, including her husband testifying about his wife's worthiness, even as they prayed for more blessings upon her.
If I never walk Nani Agbaja Abatete. If I Chimwani, Obiefuna Nwata na-ebi dị mma. Ọ mmadụ fọrọ mmadụ ibe n'anya. Ọ mmadụ nwere ezi omume. Ọ mmadụ n'ọnya ka enebe n'anya nechasị anya wee fụ na nwatakịrị nwaanyị a na-emegbado ife niile ahụ. Enwee sị ka ahụ ya.
After the traditional breaking of kola nut by the husband, Sir Okwi Obiefuna, he described his wife as his pride, praising her support and hard work, which are some of the qualities that earn her the honored title.
Ndị yọmọ nwere ga na lu n'ọkụ unu ga-ejide ọkụ jidesie n'ike anyị nwa jidekwa ka jidesie n'ike asụ olu isi olu agụba ana sị na ọ ga-adịla anyị na mma.
The celebrant, Iyom Arubeze, who was visibly overjoyed, appreciated her husband for his support, noting that her induction into the Otuodu means a lot to her and promised to be a good representative of her husband, community and the Otuodu institution.
It's best day in my life after my wedding day. So people saw angry and
the event featured dance by Otuodu women, presentation of gifts to the celebrant among other colorful displays.